Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a professional Excel dashboard step by step in the easiest way possible. Each step we use here is explained in detail in my dashboard designing playlist, so make sure to check it out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share it with your friends for more easy and professional tutorials. Follow Best We Give for the best tips and tricks to level up your skills. Let's get started. Merge cells, change their color as you like, or create a structure for your dashboard by using shapes. I have already created all these charts and graphs, and separate videos for each of them are available on my channel. This dashboard features a variety of charts and graphs, including bar charts, pie charts, line graphs, and dynamic sparklines, all designed to make data visualization clear and engaging. Each chart and graph serves a specific purpose, such as comparing data, showing trends, or analyzing proportions. These visuals are created using Excel's powerful tools and are fully customizable to meet different needs. Detailed tutorials for creating each chart and graph are already available on my channel, so be sure to check them out to learn step by step. This dashboard also includes slicers, which allow users to filter and interact with the data easily. Slicers are visual tools that enable quick filtering of data based on specific categories, such as dates, regions, or product types. By clicking on a slicer option, users can instantly update charts and tables, making the dashboard more dynamic and user-friendly. Slicers add an interactive element, allowing for a more customized analysis. final design of your professional Excel dashboard. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and are now ready to create your own interactive dashboards. Don't forget to check out my other videos on Best We Give. For more tips on charts, graphs and Slicer, check out Best We Give. Thanks for watching.